Hi folks, it's the Review Fella here, bringing you a video that I've been looking forward to for many months now, and that is the arrival and unboxing of one of LG's awesome new 2023 C3 range. They're available in sizes ranging from the crowd-pleasing 83-inch down to the It's a Night in on My Own 42-inch, which is the one I purchased. A perfect sized TV for watching movies in a smaller room or bedroom perhaps, and incredible as a gaming or productivity monitor. I'll be using it for both, particularly for video editing. And I'll bring you full reviews, recommended settings and my gaming and workstation setup very soon. So let's crack this box open and let loose the majestic yet resplendent 42-inch LG C3. Well, we hope anyway. Inside we have the familiar foot design. It looks very similar if not the same as last year's model. Thankfully there are two in the box, and this is the only size which will not have a single central stand this year. This piece is a cover plate to hide all the ports. It helps act as a cable tidy too. It's interesting to note that the C3 is around the same price as last year's C2, which is still a great TV and a bargain now by the way. The difference between the two won't be massive, but the C3 will bring some upgrades such as the Alpha 9 Gen 6 processor, webOS 23 and improved HDR. Whether those differences are noticeable in the real world, we shall find out when I do a C3 versus C2 video. Also in the box we have the remote control, AA batteries, cable tidy clips, foot screws, caps for the feet that also keep the cable tidy, and the IR blaster. The remote control looks the same as last year, noting that the two lower buttons have LG channels and Alexa printed on them. Also note that the near field communication logo is missing, but I'm not sure if that's just on the 42-inch. This is the first 42-inch LG OLED I've ever purchased. The instructions are simple as ever. It always advises you to lay these TVs down on a table to attach the feet or stand. The bigger these TVs get, the harder that is. So I usually find the box it comes in, together with some packing reinserted for stability, works just fine. And this TV is very light anyway, weighing just 10.1 kilograms with the stand, so easy enough for one person to handle. I knew this mustard towel, which is incompatible with my bathroom colour scheme, would come in handy one day. These feet are easy enough to attach with the two screws provided, but you'll benefit from a magnetic screwdriver to hold the screw head in place, as one hole in each foot is a bit tricky. So the rear design is familiar if you've seen last year's model. It doesn't have a huge footprint and the space underneath makes it perfect for cables to disappear under. Useful if you use this as a monitor. The Vesa mounting is 300mm by 200mm, and the overall TV dimensions with stand is 932mm width by 577 height by 170 depth. Of course, you don't get the razor-thin panel like on the larger models. The bezel is a bit thicker, with all the components squeezed into less space, but it still looks jolly nice. Ports are as expected. Starting from the bottom, we have the IR blaster, satellite and cable in, optical digital out, a LAN port for your network cable, 4 HDMI ports supporting 4K at 120Hz with variable refresh rate, auto low latency mode and quick media switching on all ports. Quick media switching is interesting because it eliminates the issue where your TV goes black for a second when switching between content and refresh rate. LG is the first TV manufacturer that I'm aware of to announce support for it at this time. There's also enhanced audio return channel on HDMI 2, audio output, and 3 USB ports, which are version 2. Connectivity, you'll also have Wi-Fi 5 and Bluetooth version 5. Keeping your cables tidy goes into overdrive with this snap-on cover plate. It looks really neat, but it does cover everything, so if you want to access a USB port, for example, you'll need to prise it back off. These handy caps for the feet will also help to stop the back of your TV looking like a bowl of spaghetti. And after all that unboxing effort, the TV really does seem to live up to all the hype. The picture is bright, I mean really bright. It may not get as bright as the larger models though. This is the out-of-the-box quality, other than I've disabled the energy saving step that dims the TV into a dark muddy mess if left on. I've also changed the default picture mode to Expert Bright Room and dial the brightness down by 15%. But that's all I've done so far. The 20-watt output speakers with down-firing projection also work very well. A gaming session reveals a panel with zero lag and a colourful, punchy and contrasty image, just as you'd expect from a quality LG OLED TV. I will of course look into the best gaming settings and bring those to you soon. I'm now going to put this TV through its paces, so if you're interested in any size of the LG C3 or this 42-inch version, then I'll be uploading the best C3 G3 and G3 picture settings, gaming settings, and showing you my workstation setup very soon. Or if you have a general interest in everything LG TV related, I'll also continue to upload my tips, hidden codes, and fixes for the LG TV range. So if that interests you and you wish to support the channel, then please like and subscribe. It's very much appreciated. See the links in the description to this TV and my other TVs and tech gear. I hope you have a very nice day, and I'll see you soon.